Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to lock Windows 7, which is a great way to secure your PC if you are stepping away from it for a moment. Click the Start button in the lower left side of your Windows desktop to access the Start menu. At the bottom of this menu, you can see a button which says Shut Down. Click the arrow to the right of Shutdown, and this will reveal a sub-menu. In the sub-menu, under Log Off, you will see a button called Lock. Click this button and you will automatically be locked out of Windows. You will be taken to the welcome screen and you must enter your password again to regain access. With this method, you can easily lock Windows 7. Alternatively, you can quickly lock the machine with a keyboard shortcut. Simply press the Windows button and L at the same time. The computer will lock. You have just learned 2 ways of locking your computer that should help you improve your privacy and security on your Windows 7 machine.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.